In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a report to email automatically in QuickBooks Online. If you find yourself exporting the same report over and over, this walkthrough will save you time by putting that process on autopilot. We'll take a report you already use, set a schedule, and have QuickBooks email it to you and your team on a recurring basis. Start by opening the report you want to schedule. For example, you might use a profit and loss report you've customized. Make sure the report looks the way you want before scheduling. Check the date range, columns, filters, and any customizations. Whatever you see here is what your recipients will receive. At the top of the report, click the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled More Actions. From that menu, choose Schedule Report. This opens a scheduling form where you'll set the details for delivery. Give the workflow an optional name if it helps you recognize this schedule later. Set the report name. This is what will appear in the email and helps recipients understand what they're opening. Choose the start date and time, such as February 10th, 2026 at 9 o'clock a.m., and confirm the time zone so delivery matches your team's work hours. For example, Asia/Manila if that's where your recipients are based. Select how often the report should repeat. Daily is great for cash summaries, weekly works well for operational snapshots, and monthly is perfect for financial statements like profit and loss or balance sheet. If you want the schedule to stop after a certain period, set an end date. Otherwise, you can leave it open-ended. Enter the recipient's email addresses in the Send to field. You can also add CC or BCC recipients if others need visibility without being primary recipients. Write a clear subject line so the email is easy to recognize in inboxes. Choose the file format that fits your needs. PDF for a ready-to-read document, Excel for further analysis and formulas, or CSV if you plan to import the data elsewhere. Add a brief message if you want to provide context or instructions. When everything looks good, click Save and Turn On. Your schedule is now active, and the report will be emailed automatically based on the settings you chose. If you ever need to refine the timing, recipients, or format, you can return to the same area and adjust the schedule without starting over. That's how you schedule a report in QuickBooks Online. With a few clicks, you've created a reliable, hands-off routine that keeps the right people informed at the right time. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.